Volunteers are joining Infirmary Health and the American Heart Association for the Little Hats, Big Hearts program. Infirmary hospitals will present a little red hat to every baby born in the month of February, which is Heart Month. The goal is to raise awareness of congenital heart defects in babies and heart disease. This morning we have Teresa Roca and with Diagnostic and Medical Clinic. We also have Taji Kirkland from the American Heart Association. Guys, we were talking about how cute these pictures are with the babies in these little hats. So we're going to get to the program in just a few minutes. But first, Dr. Roca, let's talk about how common this is as far as congenital heart disease with babies.
It's actually the most common birth defect in children, and the incidence is about 1 in 100. I mean, specifically, it's like 8 in 1,000, but it's pretty common. I mean, actually, just this weekend, I was on call and diagnosed 3 babies with congenital heart defects.
Right, and again, just like anything with babies, it really takes the toll on parents who are having to see their child and wondering what's next with this.
Correct. I mean, just like of the 3 children this weekend, one will have surgery in the next 2 weeks, the other will have surgery in the next 3 months. Unfortunately, the other one may or may not have surgery. Sometimes these defects will correct themselves.
Right, and the best way to help these parents and help those who go through this is to bring awareness and talk about an amazing campaign. Let's talk about the HATS program.
Yes, so it started a couple of years ago with the American Heart Association, and just recently it has taken off drastically, you know. So right now, I was just telling them we have about 4,000 hats just in our office right now.
Yeah.
But you know, it's all through volunteers. They volunteer to donate the yarn. They volunteer to knit the hats. They come in. We get them cleaned, of course. They'll package them individually, and then we send them out to the hospitals. And you know, right now, all the hospitals in Mobile and Baldwin County actually have the red hats for the month of February to give to each baby that's born.
And again, you were mentioning ways people can get involved. That's one of the biggest things. If someone is out there, they're watching, they want to get involved in this program, because we have a lot of talented people across the Gulf Coast. And I know we've seen some of them come across Studio 10. So if they're looking to get involved, how can they do that?
They can get involved. They have all the information on our website, but you know, it's donating yarn. It's, you know, if they can knit, it's sending in the hats, or you know, if they want to come in and help package them, you know, every level, you know, they can help it however way they want to. A lot of people donate the yarn, you know, because they're like, I don't really know how to knit, but you know, we have a lot of knitters.
And you know, if people want to find out more about this so they don't feel alone, Dr. Roca, I know Infirmary is very big on making sure your patients are supported. Is there anywhere they can go for more information? Maybe the diagnostics website?
Well, actually, I think the best website is the American Heart Association. And you know, like she said, there are 4,000 hats already been knitted. And so I think some people don't really are aware how important like the heart walk is. Sponsoring people who do the heart walk, that raises so much money, and what's happened in the technology with congenital heart disease in the past 20 years since I've been practicing is unbelievable.
Right, and please keep those baby pictures coming with the little red hats, because I just can't get enough of this. There again, the picture that I'm talking about, the Little Hats, Big Hearts program, absolutely adorable, but again, it's for a bigger cause, and we appreciate all you guys do for the community. And we're going to put their information up, fox10tv.com, under the Studio 10 tab. That way, if you do want to get involved, you'll have the information right there. Thank you both for being here this morning. Up next, Pet of the Week. Spider-Man is what I'm told is up next. That should be interesting.